Hello, welcome to Kids Learning Valley. Hey children, today we are going to learn alphabets. Are you ready? A is for apple. A P P L E apple. B is for ball. B A L L ball. C is for cat. C A T cat. D is for dog. D O G dog. E is for egg. E G G egg. F is for fish. F I S H fish. G is for G L A S S glass. H is for house. H O U S E house. I is for ice. I C E ice. J is for jump. J U M P jump. K is for kite. K I T E kite. L is for lamp. L A M P lamp. M is for moon. M O O N moon. N is for night. N I G H T night. O is for onion. O N I O N onion. P is for puppy. P U P P Y puppy. Q is for white. Q U I E T white. R is for rhino. R H I N O rhino. S is for Santa. S A N T A Santa. T is for train. T R A I N train. U is for under. U N D E R under. V is for Veena. V E E N A Veena. W is for wasp. W A S P wasp. X is for Xmas. X M A S Xmas. Y is for yummy. Y U M M Y yummy. Z is for zebra. Z E B R A zebra.